Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you guys July's kit. Of course, I have tried to match it to the color scheme of the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner, which for the month of July is blue, which is quite fitting because of course Independence Day and July 4th and all of that. So I didn't want it to be like overkill Independence Day, July 4th, because some people don't care for holidays. So therefore I chose this theme, which is blue and red. And also, you guys, I have changed up the game with the Payday flags. I have made them match the kit, but not only that, for this month they are actually red and white, so it's kind of like a starry type situation, just to pull in a little hint of the Independence Day theme. So of course this is the classic kit for the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner, and when I say classic kit, I mean that the kit will fit this particular planner, which is the 7x9, but it's going to be smaller than the full kit. The full kit is just basically like this, but it has like a whole, like an additional page, so it's more expensive naturally. But anyway, I'm going in now and laying down the top washi, and now I'm laying down some of the Payday flags. This is just like a mock planner that I use for sticker laying purposes, and I'm just going in and adding in some paydays. Obviously not our paydays, because we don't get paid on Fridays unless it happens to be the 15th or the 30th or what have you. But I'm laying down some of those Payday stickers, which I believe I'll show you an up close and personal look of that. It's really like, you really can't tell a whole lot that like it's, you know, starry, but it definitely is. But I think I'll show you guys like close-ups as we move throughout. So of course, like I said, blue, red, and kind of like a corally type color. So that is why I chose to go with this corally type of color for the Bill Do stickers. And honestly, I will tell you that as for the Payday flags, although I wholeheartedly believe that they should be green, technically if you do too, then you can purchase them in the shop a la carte. But also I didn't think that the green would go well at all with this color scheme, so that's kind of why I did the green Payday flags. Somebody did mention to me that possibly I should do that, and it didn't really dawn on me until I was creating this kit. As always, I do accept custom orders. I don't do them like a whole lot, but in the event that you don't like this pattern and you would like a different one, then I could potentially, you know, find some other type of pattern that you might want, and I do charge a customization fee. So you just have to message me basically, and I'll let you know if I'm in the business of taking custom orders during that time, or what the deal is and prices and things like that, because different customizations cost different prices. Anyway, I did go in and I put down the July 2019 at the top of the page, which, as you guys know, for June, this kit is kind of like a new template that I created for June, and now I'm going to be using it for July. I really do love it because it's really more customizable, but I've been thinking about maybe adding some washi a la carte, but I honestly really don't want to do that because I feel like that can get kind of out of hand really quickly. So I try to keep my workload quite minimal. Anyway, let's pause so I can show you guys a little bee. There are little bees on here, and I think it's like the cutest, most perfect July 4th themed, sort of July themed washi, and I just honestly love it so much. I think for August we get, what color do we get for August? I don't have August's kit. That would be like a whole lot. August is going to be, was it orange? No, August is yellow. That's what I'm excited for. And then, of course, September, my birthday month, is purple, so I'm going to try to kill them with that one. But for August, I don't really love yellow or orange, but I will likely, incorporate a little bit of yellow, even if it's just a washi. So I'm showing you guys how you can break up your pages, and you can do like sinking funds for the top half, cash envelopes for the second half, or budget review for the top half, savings tracker for the top half. You can basically do, whatever it is that you would like to do. Actually, I do sell washi a la carte. Maybe, just maybe, I may be able to add some more. I'm working, y'all. I'm trying to get these things. I'm trying to learn the ropes here. I may be able to add some different types of washi so you have different choices. I may do that for the month of July. Can't make any promises. But either way, this kit is definitely going to be released at the time that you're watching this video, and you are free to go ahead and purchase. So on this page, I'm just doing the July budget, and then I'm doing income and also bills and expenses. And so on the second page, I'm going to take some more of the washi. Like I said, you can technically buy this a la carte. I forgot I was doing that. You can buy this a la carte if you want to add additional washi. So it really makes sense if you do like a full-blown budget where you're tracking a bunch of things to actually buy the full kit. But technically, you could probably, you know, finagle and finesse and come up with, you know, put together your own kit, because I do offer some options a la carte. Anyway, I thought that the coral was like the perfect little touch. I thought that looked really nice against the red coral blue. I don't know what that background color is. Not sure about that. But I thought that it looked really nice. So now I'm going in and I'm just showing you guys that you don't really need washi if you don't want it. So you can just label your pages if you so desire, or you can use your own washi at home, or you can use a pencil or whatever if you want to make like a cute little backdrop or background. So I ripped up that savings tracker like a mad person, and I ripped it, but obviously that doesn't mean we throw away a sticker just because we kind of ripped it. So I'm going to spend the next few moments trying to put together the savings tracker, and then I will do a final flip through to show you guys the completed look. So I really love this kit. It's honestly one of my favorites. I don't know, whenever I was searching for patterns and I found this one, I was like, oh my gosh, must download this. Which reminds me, I must go do this other thing so that I can be able to sell these kits. Because first of all, I always, just pro tip, I always buy it for personal use, and then I decide if I like it, and then I go back and then I purchase it for commercial use. Anyway, final flip through of the planner. Like I said, I'm just doing something different just to show you guys what it looks like, and this is what it looks like all up close and personal. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you love this kit as much as me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.